It sounds like science fiction, the plot of a movie. But more and more scientists are asking the question seriously. Are we living in a simulation? This idea, known as the simulation hypothesis, suggests that our universe, our reality, might be an artificial construct, designed and run by an advanced intelligence. And disturbingly, we might not be able to tell the difference. Let's explore the logic. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed a powerful argument. If any civilization becomes advanced enough to create realistic simulations of universes, and if they create many of them, then the simulated beings vastly outnumber the originals. So statistically speaking, the odds that we are the original base reality become very low. We are more likely to be simulations within simulations. Still sounds far-fetched? Consider this. Video games today simulate entire planets. Artificial intelligence is learning to replicate human speech, behavior, and even creativity. Quantum computers are on the horizon. Now imagine a civilization thousands or millions of years ahead of us. Could they simulate a reality so perfect, so detailed, that the simulated beings, like us, believe it's real? But how would we know? Some physicists have suggested that the pixelation of space, tiny, indivisible units of space-time called the Planck length, could be like the resolution of the universe. If the universe is discrete, it might be running on a kind of code. Others explore anomalies in quantum physics, like wave function collapse, that seem to depend on observation, as if reality is being rendered only when measured, like in a video game. Even cosmic patterns, like the distribution of galaxies or the fine-tuned nature of physical constants, have been cited as potential signs of a designed system. But there's a deeper, more philosophical side. If the simulation is perfect and we can't detect it, does it even matter? At Infinity Beyond, we ask not just whether reality is simulated, but why the question matters. If we are in a simulation, who or what created it? For study, for entertainment, for evolution? And if we're not, then what does it mean that our world is so computational, so mathematical, and so elegant, as if it was written, not just formed? Whether reality is base level or rendered, one thing is clear. It is stranger, deeper, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And in that mystery lies purpose.